Jason, hey buddy, happy birthday. Just wanted to tell you how much your friendship on this crazy little website means to me. I've always appreciated your vlogs, especially your political ones. You and I have a lot in common politically. And I like your rants too. I like it when you drop that F-bomb. I like that. That's pretty cool. And thank you so much for all you do for the Stick-Am rooms and the Wolf Den and all that. I've had a lot of great times, a lot of great parties in, the Stick-Am room. From one fellow music buff to another, it's cool that we have that connection. Music makes the people come together. Music makes the bourgeoisie and the rebel something. So yeah, thanks for bringing back the term strawberry ice, and thank you so much for throwing me under the bus so many times when those wild, crazy women in the Stick-Am room want me to get naked. And what do? Nothing. Thanks, buddy. Thank you. And hey, also looking very forward to meeting you in Toronto in less than, I don't know, by the time you see this, it'll be less than 40 days, I think, something like that. I cannot wait to clink glasses with you in real life, have a drink, and figure out all of the problems of the world, because I have a feeling that by the time the weekend is over, we'll have figured them all out and have made the world a better place. So thanks for your friendship, thanks for all the fun, thanks for the Stick-Am, thank you for the music. Happy birthday, man. You deserve the best birthday around. Take it easy. Bye.
Turned away from it